Hello students, welcome you all are in our virtual class. Continue with our chapter number 4. The name of chapter number 4 is Mathematical Expectations and Binomial Distributions. Today we are going to start our second part. The name is Binomial Distribution. So start with example. 6 cubical dice are thrown for 1458 times if 2 or 3 is regarded as a success. See the students, here 2 or 3 means the dice thrown and result get 2 and 3. Find the probability of different number of success and their expected frequency. Students, this type of sum you also study in standard 12. Now first of all, we need to probability means P. Here P means a result, or you may say success, two numbers. So P means two numbers means here 2 and 3 means total number is 2, but dice thrown total result get is 6. So probability P is equal to 1 upon 3. Same as we find Q. Q means 1 minus P. So 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 2 by 3. And also students, here capital M is 1458. So we write 1458, and small n is cubical dice means 6. First of all, we start with formula. Q of x NCx into P upon x into Q n minus x. Now students, we find from 0 to 6 result of cubical dice. Starting from 0, P of 0 is equal to 6C0. P means 1 by 3, X means 0, Q means 2 by 3. Here N means 6 and X means 0. 6C0 means 1. 1 upon 3 power 0 means 1. And 2 by 3 power 6. 2 by 3 power 6 means 64 upon 729. So answer is 64 by 729. Same as we find second result, P of 1, 6C0, 1 upon 3, sorry, here 1, here x means power 1, 2 by 3, 6 minus 1. 6C1 means 6, 1 by 3 power 1 means 1 by 3, 2 by 3 power 5, 6 minus 1 means 5. So 32 upon 243. So answer is 6 multiplied 32 is 192 upon 3 multiplied 243 means 729. Same as result number 2, 6C2, 1 upon 3, power 2, 2 by 3, 6 minus 2. 6C2 means 6 into 5, 30 upon 2 means 15. 1 by 3 power 2 means 1 by 9. 2 by 3 power 6 minus 2 means 4. So 16 upon 81. Result 15 into 16 is 240 upon 279. Now P of 3. 6C3 1 by 3 power 3 2 by 3 6 minus 3. 6C3 means 6 into 5 into 4. 6 into 5 means 30. 30 into 4 120. 120 by 6 means 20. 1 by 27. Here 6 minus 3 means power 3 means 8 upon 27. 20 into 8 160. 27 into 27 729. Now result number 4. 6C4 1 by 3 power 4 2 by 3 power 6 minus 4. 6C4 means 15. 1 by 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27. 27 into 3 81. Here 2 by 3 power 6 minus 4 means power 2. Here 4 by 9. So 15 into 4 60 and 81 into 9 is 729. Result number 5. 6C5 1 by 3 power 5 2 by 3 6 minus 5. Here 6C5 means 6. 1 minus 3 power 5 is 243. 2 by 3 power 6 minus 5 means 1 power means 2 by 3. Here 6 into 2 12. 243 into 3 729. Now another result is P of 6. 6C6 1 by 3. Here power 6. 2 by 3 power 6 minus 6. Here 6C6 means 1. 1 upon 3 power 6 means 729. 2 by 3 power 6 minus 6 means power 0 means here 1. 1 upon 729. See the students, here we will find the total result of cubical dice of 0 to 6. Now we find the expected frequency. Expected frequency we find from tabular method. First of all, we start from number of success means action. Second is probability means PI. And last frequency xi into pH. N. First of all, success means result number 0 to 6. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Probability means we get a result of 0 to 6. First 64 upon 729. Second 192 upon 729. Third 240 upon 79. Fifth 160 upon 729. 60 upon 279. 12 upon 729. And last 1 upon 729. Now students, we find the frequency. Once again we write 64 729 to multiply n. Here capital N is 1458. Second 192 upon 729 multiplied 1458. 240 upon 729 1458. 160 729 1458. 60 729 1458. 1279 into 1458 and 179 to 1458. Here 64 into 1458 upon 729 means 128. Second 192 into 1458 upon 729 is 384. 240 into 1458 divided by 729 is 480. After 160 into 1458 upon 729 is 320. Then after 60 multiplied 1458 upon 729 is 120. Then after 12 multiplied 1458 upon 729 is 24. And last result is 2. See the students? It is a frequency distribution table. After that, we also find the mean. Mean means n into p. Here, small n is 6. And p is 1 by 3. 2. After that, variance. Variance means NPQ. Here N means 6, P means 1 by 3, Q means 2 by 3. So 6 by 9. Sorry, 12 by 9. After that, standard deviation. Divided by 9, standard deviations 1.33. The root of 1.33 is 1.15. See the students? Here we throw the 6 dice and get frequency distributions for that. Thank you class.